This is a second-hand KUBOTA U48 for hydraulic crawler excavator. The KUBOTA U48 for excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA V2607DI engine. The bucket capacity is 0.14 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 4,775 kilograms. Power is 28.8 kilowatt. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. Boom swing function. The core components are all original. Zero tail swing. Widely used in construction and farm. Clean and amazing appearance. Used excavators are more cost-effective.